So in this video, we're going to do merge intervals. This is also a medium question, but I don't really think it's a medium. It's more of an easy question in my opinion. Trust me, I'm not some kind of pro or something like that. So anyways, we're basically given an interval as input, and we're supposed to display the new interval where it doesn't overlap. So basically, the input is overlapping, and we are supposed to display the non-overlapping intervals. For example, we're given this 1, 3, 2, 6, 8, 10, 15, 18. So how do we know that they're saying that 1, 3 and 2, 6 are overlapping? But what exactly does that mean? So let's see what that is. Give me a second. So any interval question, make use of drawing on your book or maybe your iPad or anything, and draw a line marking the points 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I should have drawn this already and then started the video. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. No, I'm not going to go till 18. Don't worry. All this video is going to be too long. 10, 11. Okay. So the first interval, it is from 1, from 1, uh, from 1 till 3. The second interval is from 2 to 6. Third interval is from 8 to 10. And the last interval is from 15 to 18, which I'll just draw like here, 15 to 18. So this, from this figure, I think it's pretty clear which one is overlapping. It's definitely not this, nor this, but these both. These both are overlapping. So since they are overlapping, why not we join them both? We make it as, I'll use a different color. We'll basically make this starting from 1 and ending at 6, and then 8 to 10 and 15 to 18. So that should be our output: 1, 6, 8, 10, and 15, 18. Okay, so I guess you must have understood right now, like, how do we figure out something is overlapping or not? But how do we know if this is overlapping this? Without drawing the figure, how do we know that? So the trick is we need to sort the array first. We need to sort the depending on the starting value, which is at index 0. Depending on what's here, we sort the array. So here in the input, it's already sorted. But I'm saying for in cases where it's not sorted, we need to sort it first and then move on with the next step. So the next step is to check if 2 is less than or equal to the previous end value. So basically, first of all, this is the start and this is the end. That's what I'm talking about. If the start value of the next one is more than the is less than the end value of the previous array, then it means these both are overlapping. So what we do is we need to create a new array output. So in this output, at the start, we'll already have 1 comma 3, and then we'll run a for loop starting from here till the end. Sorry, kind of clumsy here. We'll start from index 1 till the end. So what we check is if 2 is less than or equal to 3. If it is overlapping. So we change the value of 3. We remove 3 and we find the maximum of this and this, which is 6. So we'll make it 6, and that's it. That's basically what we do. And then we'll go to the next one. Is 8 less than uh, is 8 less than 6? Nope. Is 15 less than 10? Nope. And if it's not, we'll just simply append them without changing anything. 15, 18. And this is the answer. That's basically it. And yeah, and if you want to see the code, I'm not going to type it out because it's pretty self-explanatory. We first sort it depending on the zeroth index, which I told you the starting value. So 1, 2, 8, 15, it's sorted. Output at the start, as I told you before the for loop, we'll start with 1 comma 3. We'll already have this and start the while for loop from index 1 till the end. So start comma end. This is basically Python syntax. So the start is basically zeroth index, and this is the one first index. Is basically start, and the last end the is basically the three over here, and we're comparing it with the if start is less or than or equal to last end, then we find the maximum of both the ends and change the value of the output. Else, we just simply append the start and end, and we return the output. It works pretty fast too. Let's see the speed. Uh, Never mind, but this is pretty much the optimal solution. Anyways, thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one.